Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to talk about bar charts. Here, first of all, we are importing the necessary libraries. In order to have bar charts, we need categories and values. So here I'm labeling for my bar chart categories. For example, labels for the x-axis categories A, B, C, and D and E. And also we need to have values for each category. For example, the height of the bar is the y-axis values. And here for the category A, I'm going to have the value 10. For B, I'm going to have 20. For C, I'm going to have 15. For D, I'm going to have 30. And for E, I'm going to have 25. So these are the basics that I need to plot a bar chart. Then here is how we can have the size of my figure. For example, here I'm having 6 inches by 4 inches, and we can modify it. We can, for example, have 8 inches by 6 inches. And the first number is the wide, and the second number is how tall our figure is. In order to plot the figure, we use the bar function. Then we have the category as the x-axis, values as the y-axis, and then the color. For example, here I choose to have sky blue. We have the edge color and line width. And finally, we are having here the title. For example, here I'm saying basic bar chart example. We are having the font size. We are having the font weight. So I want to have a title which is bold. Then we are having the label for the x-axis, which is categories, and we choose the font size. Then we are having a label for the y-axis, which is values, and we are having a font size, sorry. And finally, we are displaying the chart. So when I run this code, we are having this chart. So the x-axis is categories, the y-axis is values, and this is the title of my figure, basic bar chart, and the font is larger as you can compare with this as compared to this one. It's larger, and also it's bold. You see that it's bold. This one and this one, both of them, they're not bold. But how we draw that? So we said that we need categories and values. So on x-axis, we are having the categories from A to E. And on y-axis, we are having the values. For example, we mentioned for category A, we are having the value 10. So this is category A, value 10. Category B, value 20. Category B, value 20. Category C, value 15 here. Category D, value 30. And category E, value 25. So these are the corresponding values to our categories. And one thing to mention here is that we use the bar function, x-axis, y-axis, then the color, and we are having the edge color. You see that there are edges here. So this is black. I can have it to be red, so it's more identical, for example, you see. So you can choose this color as well. This is black, and you can discuss the line width. So the edge width is 1.5 now. It can be 4, for example. So you see that it's thicker now. So it depends on what we are looking for, but we can modify this as well. So in this video, first of all, we learned about bar charts and how to plot them, that we need categories and values, and then we need to have, for example, the categories and values to be x-axis and y-axis. We learned about the edge color and the line width, and also we learned how to make the title of our figure to be bold here. Thank you for watching.